Ooh, Sav killed it.
Ay, you know I'm good for it. He had a bad bitch, but he lost her cause he couldn't afford her. Said she wanna eat my dick, I say you gotta order. You ain't get no money, nigga, you a blood donor. She a boozy bitch, but a nigga had the hoe her. Tired as Lil Rock weed, fuck around to find a grower. 5 baby got the whole fam up on my shoulders. 17 breaking grass down like the lawnmower. Ayy, don't you lose your life, she mourning like a newborn kid when I lay the pipe. She had to cut her friend off, she tried to spin a knife. I'm a low down nigga, I wanna make it right. Last night I was drunk as hell. Every color mad dog in my position, I'm glad I'm not in jail. This morning my girl threw my phone at me, told me go to hell. Forgot last night a nigga shorted me on my drink sale. Damn, that shit is fucked up. I pulled up on what a name just to get my dick sucked. She asked me why I was so anti when we clicked up. Niggas click copping over rumors, fuck the camp up. Ayy, I'm done bullshit, I hyped the whole head up. I only gave her 2 minutes, took some yellow drink from Drunk Tone in my mom's kitchen.